Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Kane. I live out of Sacramento, California. I am a member of the Dream Team, and what I want to do today is I want to share with you how to take partial profits on the Android MetaTrader 4 app. And the reason why I want to share this with you is because I didn't even know how to do this until a few days ago, and it's so crucial, and some people don't even know that you can actually take partial profits from a single position. So let's go ahead and get started. My name is Brian Kane. I've been trained by 6, 7, and 8-figure earners in sales and marketing. Bottom left-hand corner, you see Tracy Walker. She was a first female $1 million earner in her past direct sales company that I was a part of as well. I was featured as one of her success stories in the book called The Ultimate Team Building Formula that you can find on Amazon. And in the upper right-hand corner, you have Chris Record, and he's the one that taught me traffic. He's the one that taught me bonuses. He's the one that has taught me creative ideas on how to build several businesses. In the bottom right hand corner, you can see that I have planted my flag in a new company that teaches me Forex, and I want to learn, do, teach simultaneously and share with you the information as I'm learning it as well, because I love to see everyone succeed. Now, you can follow me as a plug if you go on Facebook and you just type in the search bar how to trade Forex with Brian Kane, and that's going to be the beginner's coaching, and you can just get some free value there. So let's get started. How to take partial profits. And this is going to be when you close out a trade in Forex trading where you only take a piece but leave the rest of the trade active, and it's going to be from a single position. So I thought you could only do this from like 2 or 3. You had to do multiple positions and close them out entirely at a time, but you can actually take a partial profit from a single position. Let's show you how to do it. And when you are looking at getting in a trade, this is probably what you're going to see. So let's say I'm looking at the screen and I want to get into the Bitcoin US dollar, so the BTC USD. I'm just going to go ahead and click that there at the bottom, and it's going to pop up with a window. And of course, you're going to want to start a new order because you're looking to get into an order of a new pair. Once you're in the order of a new pair, you haven't actually bought or sold anything yet to get into the actual trade itself. You can see that it kind of defaults you to a micro lot or 1 micro lot, right? What I want to do is I actually want to increase it. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to change it, increase it to, let's say, like a mini lot, to the next, like you could be like 2 or 3, it could be mini, it could be anything higher than just 1 micro lot. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy or sell. In this case, looking at the trade, I'll probably get in at a sell, so which it will activate me. You can see that we have the trade right here. We got a sell at a mini lot, and I am looking for this trade to drop. Now, when it does, and I look at the pair again, you can see that it is now a profitable trade at this point, and I could close out the whole thing. I could go ahead and just click on here and close out the whole thing like normal. Well, what I want to do is I want to go through that process as if I was going to close it out. So I click on it, I click on close order, and I get taken to the screen where I can close out the full trade. Here's what I want you to notice, and this is what I didn't notice before, is this mini lot here, you can't increase it because I've tried to increase it to just like see if you could. Of course you can't, but you can still click it. And when you click it, you can actually change it to something less. And when you change it to less, like let's say 6 of the micro lots, now I still have 4 micro lots left. So I'm going to close out 6 micro lots. I'm going to close out partial profits. So bam, just like that, I just closed out partial profits, and now I have 4 micro lots left, and it does that for you. So that way you can still remain in the trade, still keep your partial profits safe. And now, let's say if I want to close out this trade now, I can go ahead and click on it, and when it pops up in the micro lot, the 4 micro lots on the top, then I could just close it out like any other trade. And if I take a look at it entirely, you can see that I have closed out 2 separate trades from one position that was 1 mini lot at first, and I broke it down into 6 micro lots, 4 micro lots. You can always break it down however you wish, but this is a way that you can take partial profits. I didn't know that you could do this. So as a shameless favor, I'm going to keep sharing my value. You can go and find the Facebook group, How to Trade Forex with Brian Kane, or you can just simply type into your web browser fbgroup.forexsponsor.com, and it's going to redirect there automatically. I look forward to delivering more value to you, more as I learn, and eventually sharing with you some of my trade ideas, hopefully on a daily basis as I get better and better. So I look forward to chatting with you. I look forward to seeing you. I look forward to giving you as much value as possible, and we'll see you on the inside. Take care.